Welcome viewers. In today's video, we will explore how you can maximize revenue through email marketing. With the right strategies and tools, email marketing can skyrocket your business success. From building a quality email list to creating engaging content, running effective campaigns, analyzing performance, implementing monetization strategies, and ensuring compliance, we got you. Get ready for an insightful journey and discover the potential of BlendTV in enhancing your email marketing efforts. Section 1. Building your email list. A strong email list is the foundation of successful email marketing. It allows you to connect directly with your audience and nurture valuable relationships. We will discuss the importance of a quality email list and ethical ways to grow it. From opt-ins to sign-up forms, we will guide you through the process step by step. And with BlendTV, managing your list and optimizing opt-ins becomes a breeze. Simplify your email list management with BlendTV. Section 2. Creating compelling content. Compelling content lies at the heart of effective email marketing. Personalized and relevant content keeps your audience engaged and drives conversions. We will highlight the benefits of crafting tailored content and demonstrate how BlendTV enables content creation and segmentation. With BlendTV, you can effortlessly create customized emails that resonate with your audience, fostering stronger connections and boosting your revenue. Section 3. Effective email campaigns. Different types of email campaigns serve various purposes, from promotional offers to informational newsletters, and even cart abandonment reminders. We will discuss how Blend's automation features streamline campaign management, saving you time and effort. Additionally, we will share best practices for crafting captivating subject lines and engaging email copy that entices recipients to take action. Maximize the effectiveness of your email campaigns with BlendTV. Section 4. Analytics and Optimization. To continuously improve your email marketing ROI, you need to track and analyze campaign performance. Blend provides comprehensive and insightful analytics that enable you to gauge the success of your campaigns. We will also explore A/B testing, a vital tool for iterative improvement. Discover the power of data-driven optimization with Blend and unlock hidden revenue potentials. Section 5. Monetization strategies. Monetizing your email marketing efforts is key to maximizing revenue. We will explore different strategies, such as product promotions, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Furthermore, we will showcase how Blend seamlessly integrates with e-commerce platforms, enabling effortless monetization of your email campaigns. Hear success stories of businesses that have achieved remarkable revenue growth with Blend. Section 6. Compliance and privacy. Compliance with email marketing regulations is crucial to building trust and avoiding legal issues. We will address the importance of adhering to regulations like CAN-SPAM and GDPR. Blend is designed to keep you compliant, providing the necessary tools and features to ensure your email marketing efforts align with legal requirements. Stay compliant and maintain the privacy of your subscribers with BlendTV. Congratulations! You have gained valuable insights into maximizing revenue with email marketing. From building your email list to creating compelling content, running effective campaigns, analyzing performance, implementing monetization strategies, and staying compliant. This guide has equipped you with the tools and knowledge to take your email marketing to new heights. Start or optimize your email marketing campaigns with BlendTV and unlock the full potential of revenue growth. Access resources and reach out for support to embark on your successful email marketing journey. Thank you for watching this insightful presentation on maximizing revenue with email marketing. If you found it valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Explore the Blend platform and discover how it can revolutionize your email marketing efforts. Get ready to elevate your revenue and business success. Stay tuned for more exciting content from BlendTV.